Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook video watch history. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to do this, maybe you watch something you don't want others to see, or you just want a fresh start. So to go and do this, you need to head to the bottom right or the top right and go and tap on the menu button. On this page, scroll down until you see settings and privacy, tap on it to expand and tap on settings. Now just scroll down through settings like so until you can see activity log under your activity section. Click on it. Now in the activity log, scroll along this top row of option until you find the option videos watched. Press it. You can then go and see the videos you've watched. If it's just one you want to delete, click the dots to the right and click delete. If you want to clear them all, you click on the clear button at the top. So that's it. That is how to delete Facebook video watch history. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.